Alright guys, the name is Godside, still the solution carrier. Welcome to the channel. If you are new here, subscribe to this channel if you want to know much about afrobeat, be a good music producer. I give you free tutorials, alright, give you free sample packs, teach you step by steps in developing chord progressions in terms of afrobeat, how to mix your vocals. Very simple, alright. So I'm gonna take you through how I got this beat right after the intro. Alright guys, we are in FLSTUDIO. For this beat, I started with this tempo 100 BPM and I started with this chord progression. Okay, very simple. The key for this beat is C major. Alright, so let's listen to this chord progression alone. Alright guys, so that's what I played here. Okay, so the next thing I introduced was this counter melody. Very simple. Let's listen. So don't worry, this beat is not fully mixed. I just want to show you, then later on I'll mix this beat. So let's move on. Alright guys, so let's add a 2. Don't forget, I've given it a little bass swing, about 17. So let's listen to the 2 of them. Okay, so the next thing I introduced was this. Okay, this trumpet. Let's listen to it alone. Then I routed it to the mixer track 2. Okay, and I gave it reverb. This was the settings. Now let's add a 3. The next thing I introduced was this. But later on I removed this. Okay, so then I introduced this shaker loop. Okay, reduce the volume, change this to auto. So let me add them. I muted this. Let's listen. Okay guys, so right after there I went to the drums. Okay, and this was the drums. I started with this kick. Let's listen to the kick. Change this to, so the kick just comes in once. Then I brought in this. Okay, something like a hi-hat, and this was the rhythm. So guys, let me add a kick. Then I brought in this percussion. Okay, so it comes in like this. Then I layered this, I copy it and layer it with this snare. The whole drums, this was the dominant one. So let's listen. I increased all the volume down, then I made it more tight here. Okay, then I brought in this, okay, from here. So let's listen. I gave it a little bit swing, about 17%. Then I brought in this. So let's listen to this alone. Let me solo it so that you can hear. Listen. Okay. Okay, so let's add them like this. Okay guys, then I introduce this snare, okay, just to support and layer this one. Okay, so there I wanted to add a bass, so I use this bass, this 808 kick, okay, from Vibes. So let's listen to how I made this one. Let me solo it. Simple guys. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Give the video a like if it helps you. Listen to this one alone. Okay, so guys, let's play everything. Okay, so now listen to everything, the drums. Okay guys, so I'm gonna add it to the rest. Remember I muted this, so let's listen to them. Change this to song. Alright, so guys, I added another shaker, this one, maracas one. Okay, so let's add them. Listen. Okay, then I introduce this reverb clap like that. So let me add. Okay. Then I brought in this like a transition. Okay, let's listen. Okay guys, the next thing I introduced was this one here. Then I brought in this. Okay, you can hear. So I'm gonna add them, mute this. Let's listen. Okay, then I introduced this one, congas. You can hear. Then I brought in this. Okay. Watch the next video that will pop up on the screen to know how to develop chord progressions. Okay. and also download these free samples that I've been using from the links in my previous videos. Okay, let's listen to everything now. Give the video a like. Alright guys, so I played this. Okay, let's listen to this one. Actually, I'm not going to use it, but you listen. Let me know in the description box if I should add it to the beat, because I don't feel it. Okay, so if I add everything, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. The name is Godsai. Give the video a like. Links to my previous videos to also there. Go and watch them. Watch the next video that will come. Watch the next video that will appear on the screen. To know much about chord progressions, links to my previous videos too are there. Go and watch them, guys. Watch those videos. I'm going to take you through step by step. Okay, so let's enjoy everything. See you in the next video.